Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends and family. Today I'll be making a very healthy pasta dish, and this can be eaten hot or cold. It's good for kids and it's good for you as well. It's very low in fat and is rich in veggies and protein. Keep watching to see how I prepared this. The ingredients you will need for this dish are macaroni or any type of pasta you have, salmon, sweet corn, baked beans, and your seasoning of your choice. You will see the seasoning I used as you keep watching. First, you boil your pasta. You want to stop when it's about to be cooked to be able to include all your ingredients. Now it's just al dente, and I'm just going to go in with all my ingredients. I'm going to add in some rosemary, about a teaspoon is fine. The canned salmon, any salmon is fine. You can use either fresh or canned, but I just want you to know that this dish is adaptable and you can add pretty much whatever you like. Any protein of your choice is fine. I had canned salmon at home and I decided to use it. You can use sardines, mackerel, or whatever. And then your sweet corn, you want to drain the fluid before adding. And your baked beans, just to let you know, you have to rinse it completely. Get rid of the tomato sauce before you add it into it, or the flavor can get too strong for this dish. Now I'm just going to add in some chopped cabbage, and this is just to give it a bit of texture. At this point, your gas should be on a low heat so it doesn't cook the pasta till too soft. So it's just steaming it basically, and you don't want it to steam your veggies also. Now I'm going to pour in the baked beans, and as you can see, I've rinsed it. This dish is very healthy and kids will love it. And it's basically a one-pot meal. So easy for those days that you don't really know what to cook and you just want to go with everything in your pantry or cupboard. Now I'm just going to put in some parsley. You can use any herbs you like. And like I said before, this can be eaten hot or cold. So you can have it as a salad and just put in your sauce of choice. And our pasta dish is ready now. I'm just going to serve now and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up to show support. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Bye. Keep watching to the end.